Guys, very welcome to Code Extreme. Today we are going to do Leetcode 83 remove duplicates from sorted array. It's an easy problem of linked list. So I will try to explain you the every aspect of this question. Okay. So I have made a linked list. It is the example test case also of Leetcode. So uh, we will understand in this test case. Okay. So let's do this. So first, we will give addresses to these nodes. Like this is one, and here I will write 100. We are assuming these addresses. These are not real, but we are assuming the data in this node is also the same, but address will be different for each node. That's why it's a different node. Okay, so we have to make 5 nodes here. So it's our third 400 address, and you know that the last node has a address 0 or null because it is not pointing anywhere. And at first, the address of the first node is given in the head. Okay, now we will link these nodes like this. Okay, uh, this node has an address of 50, 100, 200, 300, and at last 400. So this is our node. Now what we have to do? We have to remove the duplicate. We have to remove a node which is duplicate, which consists duplicate data. Like these two nodes. These are consecutive. Consecutive, or these contains duplicate. It's a sorted list. Means that one, two, three. Uh, two can't come before one. So it's a sorted list. You understand? Now 1 and 1 are same, so these are duplicates, so we have to remove this node from this list so that uh, we can return a node which contain only unique elements. So this is what we have to do. Okay, so now how can we do this? We can do this by a pointer, temp pointer. For example, I will take a pointer temp. I will pass this pointer to my first node or head. Okay, if I am pointing this to head, means that I am pointing this to the first node. Now what will I do? I will check that temp, like I will check like this. If temp, uh, my temp's data or value. Okay, so temp is pointing this node. Okay, so temp's value is what? 1. Temp's value is what? 1, and address is 100. If temp's value is same as temp's next value, sorry, here I will put value. So what does this mean? Temp value is indicating 1. The node is pointing towards. Okay, and temp next means temp 100. Then it will go to this node, and the data in this node is because next value. So what is the data? 1. If these are same, then we will do something. Okay, I hope you are understanding what I'm trying to say. So now we have to remove a node. So how can we remove? We have to put the address of this node here. If I write here 300, then the link between this and this node is broken. So I have to change the address only. Okay, so how can I do this? My I will take here one another pointer. See, I will write like this: struct node star. Like this is my temp2. Assume this is temp2 variable. Okay, so where I will put this temp2? I will put this temp2 in my temp next. temp is pointing to this node and temp next is this node. So I will put this in this node. Okay, so temp2 equal to temp1's next. Now what will I do? So temp2 now is pointing to this node. So I will write here temp2 and it is pointing to this node. Now what my job is? My job is putting this address in this. You understand? So how can I do this? Simple. I will write here temps. Oh, sorry. My temps address. Temps next. I will assign this value. What? Temp2's temp2's next. Temp2 next. So what does this mean? My temp next will update it to temp2's next. Temp2 is pointing to this node. And what will be temp2's next? 200. So I am assigning temp2 next, which is 200. Its value is 200 to temps next. So then it will update it to 200. And now this link will be broken. Okay. And this will point to this node. Okay. So this is what we have to do. Now this is a garbage. I don't need this node now, है ना? So I will delete this node. So how can I delete? I will simply use free. So uh, I will free this node. Temp2 is pointing to this node, है ना? So I will free temp2. So this is the logic behind this, that how can we delete. Now I will have to put a while loop here also. So what I will write in this while loop, that we will discuss while writing the code. Okay, so let's write the code of this question. So I was explaining you in this test case. Okay, so this is our structure. I am writing the code in C language. Okay, so this is the structure of our linked list. Int val, which is indicating our data, and this is our next node. Okay, so this is a pointer. So first we have to we have given our head also, that is obvious. Now what I have to do first, I will take my temp pointer first. Okay, so struct list node. Here it is, list node temp. Okay, so I will initialize this with head. Now I will write a base case, that if our head is null, means that we have given a empty list, so we will return here null. Okay, so now our logic, here comes our logic. So what we will do, we will take a while loop, and up to which we will run this while loop while our temp next is not equal to 0. See, if our temp next is equal to 0, what does this mean? This means that we have come to the end of the list, end of the linked list. So we will end there, we will end our while loop there. Okay, now we have to write simply, now we will write our simple logic, which we have discussed earlier. Temp val equal to temp next val. Okay, first we have written this, that if our temp's value this is equal to the temp's next value, means that if these are same, two consecutive nodes are same, then what we will do, first we will create our new pointer, list node star. We will name this as delete node, because we have to delete this node. Okay, that's why. So delete node equal to temp next. Why? Because if my temp is here, temporary pointer, then our delete node pointer will be here, so we have to give this the next. So temp next means that here, Okay, so delete node pointer will point here. Okay, now what we will do is temp next equal to delete nodes next. Simple. Delete node next. I have discussed this earlier in the notebook also. So now we will free. Now we will free our memory. This is a very good practice. Delete node. We will now what we have to do is we have to increment our temporary variable also. So we will write this in temp. Oh sorry, else. We will write this in else, and temp equal to temps next. So why I am writing this in else? Why I am not writing this without else? So it is because assume these are two nodes and we have deleted this node, so we will not increment our temp from here to here. It is wrong because we have to compare this and this also after removing this. So we will compare this and this also, that's why we will not increment our temp. But if these two are not same, if condition is not true, then what we will do, then we will simply increment our temp. I hope you understand what I'm trying to say. Now we have to return our head only. It is the last thing. So let's run this code. If you understand this code, then please subscribe our channel. So it is accepted. Now let's submit this. We will able to pass all the test cases. So if you like the video, then don't forget to subscribe. So thanks for watching.